Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Aziz bin Ahmad Nizam. So I will present the exercise 1. So first we need to check the coding and analyze the coding. So this is the coding that we need to put in the MATLAB simulation software. So first we need to the first coding is DAB, which is we need to enter the DAB value from the question. Second one is DBC. Also we need to put the DBC value from the question, also for DCA input. So GMD, this is the formula for GMD, and this display for GMRL. So we need to enter the GMRL value from the question. Then is the formula for inductance, and this formula for capacitance. This is the basically this is the formula for radius and GMRC. So first, after we insert the coding, we need to insert the DAB value from the exercise. So from the exercise, the DAB value is 35. So we put 35 and we press enter. Then we need to put the next value, which is DBC value, also 35. And then we put the DSC value, which is 70. And then for GMRL value, we can see from the question, which is 0.5328 inch. Then we press enter. So we get the inductance value, which is 0.8832. So second one, for capacitance, we need to enter the diameter value in inch, which is from the question also, which is 1.345 inch. Then we press enter. Then we get the capacitance value, which is 0.0083. So you can check from the manual calculation, which is the same for inductance and capacitance value. So that's all for exercise 1. Next we move to exercise 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Hafiz bin Azhar, matrix number DE200220-177. And in this presentation, I will be presenting my part, which is exercise 2 of lab PS2a overhead line model of the course Electronic Engineering Lab 2. So without further ado, let's move on to exercise 2. Okay. So based on the exercise 2, this is the coding or program that I use to find the inductance and also capacitance. So CLC and clear all is to clear both workspace and also command window. And then the DAB is the distance between conductor A and B. And DBC is to enter the distance between conductor B and C. DCA for conductor A and C. And then from this value of distances, we will be able to find the geometric mean distance using this formula. And then moving on, we will insert the diameter of the conductor, and from the diameter we can calculate the radius of the conductor, and then insert the bundle spacing or distance of the conductor and the geometric mean radius of conductor. From these inputs, we will be able to find the geometric mean radius of both inductor and capacitor. And after all of this value have been inputted, these lines of coding will display the inductance per phase and also capacitance per phase. So moving on. Okay, after running the program, so enter the DAB value, which is 35 feet, and then DBC 35 feet also, and then 70 feet, and then conductor diameter in inch. The diameter is 0.977 inch. And then the bundle spacing is 18 inch, and then the GMR is given as 0.3924 inch. 0.3924 inch. Okay, so from these inputs, the program I have calculated that the inductance per phase is 1.0588 millihenry per kilometer, and then the capacitance per phase is 0.0107 microfarad over kilometer. Okay, and then comparing with the manual calculation, so for the inductance, the value is the exact same, and then the capacitance, the value is also the exact same. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mat Fahmi Kirim Razali. My metric number is ADE220210. I've been given a task for this lab sheet for question number 3. For question number 3 is about double circuit three-phase transport, three-line three-phase circuit, and the three-line three-phase circuit are being arranged parallel by every circuit. So the GMD and GMR are competent considerate the identical phase form a composite conductor. For example, phase conductor A1, A2 from a composite conductor, and similarly for other phase. For the manual calculation, first we need to redraw the circuit's three phase, and so we can able to see the exactly calculation that we need to use for the circuit. So this is the formula that used for the calculation. This is the manual calculation. So the answer for GMD is 11.21, GMRL is 1.18731, and GMRC is 1.25920, and for inductance and capacitance is 0.4491, capacitance is 0.0254. So by the coding, we just need to key in the C11, C22, C33. This is the distance for the three phase, not for not in between. Is the length of the phase. So we key in first the length for the phase, and then H12 and H23 is the distance between phase. So the phase A, the distance between phase A and phase B, and then H23 is the distance between phase B and phase C. So bundle spacing in inch already been given. Conductor diameter in inch one already been given. So we just key in the system as the coding has been given. We just key in all the data needed for MATLAB to auto calculate the value that we need for the according to the questions. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.